Okay, I'm now on the 5th floor. I'm looking at the star on top of the tree, wobbling in part because it's still putting all of the other trees in place. But this sucker is over 60 feet tall. It is beautiful. And actually it changes every year. It's never the same tree twice. This is a new frame. We haven't seen this one before. But Mom loved seeing the Christmas tree at the Coral Beach. Tim and I will talk about whether we're sticking around, but this is phenomenal. Since I'm here, I'll show you some more of the lobby. It has been a great trip. The staff has been so nice to us. They always are. So maybe I'll show you some more if we stick around. Thanks, everybody.